Hey everybody, in this video we're going to learn how to make a recording of our screens on the iPad. And you can see that in the top left you see my iPad screen, and then in the bottom right you'll actually see my whole iPad on the table. And that's because I'm going to be showing you something on the iPad that you're going to need to learn how to do. So in order to do screen recording, we need to access what's called the control center. And the control center is where you can do a bunch of different things, but screen recording among one of them. So what you want to be looking for is, if you can see kind of in the top right corner, right there, you'll see those icons for the Wi-Fi, for the battery, those kind of things. So right in that spot on the screen is where you can press, and then you're going to press and hold and then move your finger down. So if you can see what I'm going to be doing here, I'll do it with my other finger. I'm going to kind of start from the top and then reach down. And did you see what happened there? So this part shows up here. This is the control center. So I'll do it again. So right from the top right where all those icons are, I push and hold with my finger and then drag down to get to the control center. So the button that we're going to be looking for screen recording is right there. It's that smaller circle inside of the larger circle. And if you don't have this on your screen, stay tuned, because I will be adding on a piece at the end that will show you how to do this. But in order to screen record, you very simply just have to press on it. And you'll see when I do that, it's going to count me down. 3, 2, 1. And then now it is screen recording, including everything you see here. And you'll see that red button. You can actually press out of Control Center before it starts recording. You'll see at the top of the screen right there that is also letting you know that it is screen recording. So let me show you again here, because you can exit out of screen recording, or out of the Control Center, I should say, before you start recording. So let's go and reach down, and we're going to press our button. 3, 2, 1, and you'll see there it is, that icon right at the top, to let you know that you're recording. And at this point, it should be capturing all of the things that you're doing on your screen. If you're drawing, it should also capture your microphone. And if it's not, I'll also show you how to fix that. But when you're done your screen recording, you just need to go back to Control Center and then just press on the button again. And you'll see this little notification at the top to let you know screen recording video saved to photos. And you can press on it and it will open it in the Photos app, so that you can watch over it, listen to it, do whatever you need to do. And then from there, you can upload it to Google Drive, or you can add it to Seesaw. And I have another video about how to do that. So that's all there is to screen recording. So again, if you don't see the screen recording icon, stay tuned. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on that. And if your sound is not recording right, also stay tuned on that. I will show you how to fix that as well. Otherwise, if everything is a go, that will be the end of this video for you. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, so what to do if your microphone is not recording in your screen recording. So that can happen sometimes, and in fact, it's actually a default for it to not record the microphone. I tried to get to all of the iPads to set this up so they would, but just in case I missed one or two, I figured I'd do a quick little video here. So you'll see that on my screen, there is the screen recording icon. And in order to control the microphone, I'm actually going to press and hold on it. Not just press, because if you press, it will start a recording. But if you press and hold, you'll see that this new option appears. And you'll see that right on the bottom of my screen, it says microphone off. So that does mean that when I'm recording my video and I want to be talking over it, it's not going to play any sound. So that's where I need to go and press on this button right here. You'll see that it turns red to let you know that the microphone will record. And on the other end, if the microphone's on and you don't want it to be, then you just press it to turn it off. So you just toggle on and off with that button. From there, you can press start recording if you want, or you can go back here and press the button to record from here, anything you want to do. But in any case, your microphone will now be recording sound, and you'll be able to hear your voice over the video of the screenshot that you're taking. So that is how to turn your microphone on to record a screen recording. So in the last part of this video, we're going to talk about what to do if the screen recording icon does not show up in your control center. So you can see on my screen that where I had, in the first part of the video, I had the screen recording, the circles, it's no longer there. So if this is more what your screen looks like, let's go ahead and fix that, and I will show you how to get the control center onto your iPad. So I'm going to just press anywhere outside of the control center to get rid of it. And we're going to go press the home screen button to get back to home screen. And then we're going to find the settings app right there. And so when you get to the settings, you're going to see on the left side on this little list here, we're going to look for the one that says Control Center. I'm going to press on it, and then you should see a list of different parts or different features you can add onto Control Center. And I should add really quickly, if you are running iOS 13, you might also see an option that says Customize Control Center or something along those lines before you get to this. In the newer version, it gets rid of that step and brings you right here. But something along those lines, if you're running on an older version, will get you to here. So if I scroll down, you'll see that this part of the list is what is currently on my control center. And I can press those minuses to get rid of things if I want to. And I can also use the lines to reorder. But if I go down, this is the stuff that is not on my control center, and you'll see about 2/3 of the way down, you'll see screen recording. And I just need to press the plus to add that to my list of included controls. And now when I go to Control Center, you'll see that there it is right there ready for me to use. So that is the end of this video about screen recording and responding to some of the issues with either screen recording not being there or the microphone not working. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and I will see you next time.